Thank 공감 상황에 참조시오. 트리진다 숨베 치제 숨 소징이 슈가르 계획 포장도 예지 마크리 세르기 생다 속베 칠론 예동 이상알로 예지 마크리 세르기 생다데 공사 야와르 부지 초라 피난제송 디콜야 디게 사르고베 고디 소종라 첸디슈버지 샴라시그로나.
His Holiness is a symbol of peace and always will be. He represents non-violence in a violent world. The award that we have presented him, the Gold Mercury Award 2025, it's an award that symbolizes his life work for compassion, for defending the environment, for promoting the importance of the Tibetan plateau as the third pole of the world that we need to keep intact for the protection of humanity. And His Holiness expresses love with every part of his being. He represents a symbol that today we need because everybody is very aggressive, and he represents somebody who doesn't need to use aggression to get things done and to communicate about a future of our planet that needs to be in harmony. So today has been one of the proudest moments for Gold Mercury International in presenting the award to His Holiness, the Dalai Lama.
For 2025, the award has been given to His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and I think it is the most important statement made in the world today, because His Holiness is the only person who symbolizes all these things in one person. And not only is he the leader of the Tibetans, he is the leader of the whole world, the whole humanity. He has been working for peace, compassion, and love all his life.
And what was his acceptance speech? Can you please discuss on that?
Yes, his acceptance speech was about Mother Nature, the mother of people. When you're born, you come from the womb of a woman. The importance of producing love out of that relationship and extending it to everybody around you. Because we forget, once we come out of the womb of our mother, we kind of forget many things. But without that love and that womb, there wouldn't be any existence.
His Holiness in a statement now said that we actually emerged from our mothers, and our mother tolerates everything in us, good and bad. Similarly, we have to have a compassionate attitude towards all others in the world. There is no enemy in the world. That is how you will love all other human beings, and that is how we will get peace.
And why do you think that His Holiness's advocacy of love, environment, sustainability is important in this era?
But His Holiness, his message is practical. It's a very practical message, because you can speak a lot and not be practical, but he's very practical in communicating the importance to speak with passion, with love, fraternity. And he communicated that. My feeling is what's missing today in the world. It's connectivity. You're connected to His Holiness in a very special way. There was not one person in that moment that was not crying. It's because of the symbology of a person who has expressed the importance of warm-heartedness. So warm-heartedness is at the core of his message. He expresses that it doesn't matter whether you are religious or not, you have to be warm-hearted. And that's very important for people that are not religious. So we need to understand that to be able to communicate the message of His Holiness.
Jiri geji makuri sengda dita wucha tsumbayna lodar drami pende dang kori songkyo ta nangshi chuluk tundi soki telaya ledwen yerkingi ke u lapchi namlaya bisoyo pare. Konsuneshu de begi tibab sarkangi sarko ba panden dang nyelen ba lopsan tembe nyigi sugar gewe podan ne pegiwe.